My name's Sanat. So I'll start what it is. I'll give you a short summary. Right now, you've got a ChatGPT on. Everybody knows by now what ChatGPT and all these AI firms are. So how these AI firms are built? They're built on data. So when a data set AI firm is built, they require lots of data, TBs of data to build their foundational model. Where do they get the data from? In the past few years, they've been scraping the internet, releasing their bots all over websites using things like Common Crawl. Bot based on US, it's semi-legal. It's so you cannot use for commercial purposes, but it's kind of legal. Now the thing is, there have been a lot of cases against these AI firms by news channels, book publishers, and a lot of other industries for stealing their data. No solution to this that provides these AI firms for licensed data. So right now, there are three ways how AI firms are getting their data. Number one, scraping the internet. They're using Common Crawl, using the bots everywhere. These bots go to the website, content उठा लेते, YouTube के transcript उठा लेते, etc. etc. Second is data marketplaces like Appin.ai, Define.ai, there's Amazon Data Exchange. यहाँ से they sell data sets. However, they are not licensed. They may say they are ethically sourced and all, but technically they are not licensed. Even though there are initiatives from Microsoft, crowdfunding organizations that source data. Basically, किसी को somewhere in rural area उनको बोल देते हैं, अब ऐप ले लो, record data for us, and we will annotate it and etc. etc. उस तरीके से data collect कर लेते हैं. Now the third part is licensing deals. Now this is happening. There have been large deals. For example, Wiley Publications, it's a book publisher, just signed a $44 million deal with the three AI firms. There's a $250 million deal signed by OpenAI and News Corp. So these deals are coming. Why are they coming? Because in the start, ChatGPT बन रहा था, people were not aware. कोई भी कुछ भी कर लेता था. As it was a nascent stage. अब क्या हो रहा? People are realizing, अच्छा, ये तो मेरा डेटा उठा लिया इन लोगों ने. कोई एक ऑथर है, ये रियलाइज मेरा डेटा है इस किताब में. मेरा कोई क्यों आएगा मेरे पास? Anybody know ChatGPT and say कि अमीश त्रिपाठी किताबें बता दो, इसका पहला किताब में क्या लिखा है, पहला पन्ने में क्या लिखा है, etc. So that means AI has already been trained. So, example, there is a data set called Books3. It's illegally sourced. So AI firms have trained on all of that. So my solution is to build the world's first licensed data marketplace for AI firms. So that's exactly what I have built over here. It is I built this three months ago. I took 6-7 months to build this myself. It's I have no revenue right now, so I'm still in the customer acquisition stage right now. So I'll just clear that right now. Platform is built on blockchain. So as everyone knows, blockchain using crypto, Bitcoin, etc., etc. But there's another application. For example, blockchain is used in the financial industry. Basically, industries where we are selling, dealing with high value products is going on. So I use this whole concept of recording a blockchain license access. So basic blockchain comes with providing the publishers proof of ownership and providing them an audit trail. So क्या होगा कि कल कोई AI firm आएगा, वो बोलेगा आपने डेटाबेस बदल दिया, ये कुछ कर दिया, कि केसेस चल रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. The main usage of blockchain here is to solidify the foundation for them कि ये उन्हीं का data. That's the only use. And I don't use any other blockchain. I have my own private gasless blockchain that I have built using Polygon Edge. It's a POA so it's completely gasless, so no gas fees or anything, and it's completely private. So there's no problem of that. Okay. So this is the problem I discussed right now. Billions lost in traffic. क्या होता है ना, जैसे अभी you must have seen Google review. 3-4 महीनों पहले से at 5 months से you search anything on Google right now, एक आएगा Google AI mode. उसमें AI overview होगा. उसमें क्या हो रहा है? Google AI overview क्या करता है? It's going to पहले तो इंडेक्स कर लेता है अपना सर्च जैसे नॉर्मली Google does. Now using the index information, it summarizes that information and presents it in the Google search bar only. Now इससे क्या होता है? Instead of actually going to the website, people look at the data in the Google, and this leads to loss in traffic. क्या होता है? Companies like Print, ये Wire, Livewire, etc. NDTV, छोटे न्यूज़ चैनल, not मीडिया बड़े वाले नहीं, वो क्या करते हैं? They live mostly on ad revenue और from the website. उनका ट्रैफिक जा रहा है और वो मर रहे हैं इस चक्कर में. So that is where the main problem is. It leads to traffic loss, publisher revenue, किताबों का publisher revenue. You see the Book3 data set that I spoke about. It's all सारा पायरेटेड हो रखा है, ऑलरेडी हो ही रखा है. So this is actually the problem, and this is some statements from the news people and all that. Second, the problem from AI companies. For example, one AI company I've been dealing with a lot of AI companies also, जो इंडिया में बहुत सारे बन रहे हैं. They also contacted me. They were asking data कैसे मिलता है? How you going to give me? नए बन रहे हैं. Data कैसे मिलता है? कितने में दोगे मुझे? MRP बेचोगे? So many are new. Right now there is no unified verifiable source. You know, एक source नहीं है that gives a licensed content. Appen AI में चल जाएंगे, Define.ai में चले जाएंगे, डेटा उठा लेंगे, but it's not licensed. And कल कोई केस कर देगा, it's going to be on them only. क्यों ना आपने में डेटा लिया है. So you can see Appen, AWS, Scale AI, they don't provide licensing over here. And we have a crowdsource data sets, iMerit, Shape. These are all crowdsourcing firms जो डेटा उठाते हैं. But anyway, it's not rights cleared. पता नहीं क्या who owns what out of it. लोग कहते हैं ethically sourced, it's not actually not ethically sourced. वो बोल देते हैं. और क्या होता है ना, मैं जो डील्स की बात कर रहा था मैं, AI firms are doing individual deals, for example News Corp and Wiley. अब उसमें क्या हो रहा है, मैनुअल प्रोसेसिंग होता है, 3-4 महीने लग जाते हैं, लिटिगेशन कॉस्ट एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा बहुत कुछ होता है, एंड कई डील चाहते हुए नहीं, लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है. And so, and of course, not most of open source data is not auditable. That's there. So right now, this platform gives AI firms verified, monitorable, and contract-ready Indian data sets. Now just come. This is my solution. So this is basically 3 pillars of my solution over here. I register every media, whatever comes with a blockchain stamp. That is one part. Second part is an API. So through this API, AI firms get the data through one API. So ऐसा क्या होता है ना कि AI firms now they want data from multiple news publishers. अभी एक के साथ डील कर लेंगे, बाकी होगा क्या? They want कुछ डेटा इधर से, कुछ डेटा उधर से, कुछ डेटा उधर से. For that, they have just one API to interact with multiple news publishers, multiple book publishers, etc. And through that one API, they can access all this data. And of course, licensing is instant. Everything is instant. All the particulars of everything filled in a platform over there. And this. Okay. Now you may be asking कि अच्छा license data set हर कोई बेचता है, right? Now ऐसा क्या है? अब क्या होता है ना, जैसे मान लो GPT bot है, आपका न्यू वेबसाइट है ndtv.com, ठीक है, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ मैं. अब GPT बॉट गया, ndtv.com में अभी Cloudflare को यूज करते हैं. नॉर्मली मोस्ट ऑफ दीज कंपनीज यूज Cloudflare एज देयर CDN टू ब्लॉक देम, बट बॉट्स बहुत चालू होते हैं, उनको दे इमिटेट ह्यूमन यूजर्स एंड दे जस्ट कम ऑन इट. नाउ क्या होता है ना कि आई बिल्ट अ मिडलवेयर. So this is not just a platform. I have connected through middleware where I make some changes to the robots.txt. If you know about robots.txt, it's a technical term. Our website का होता है. I give them a AI wellness JSON policy and a middleware which connects. So whenever bot comes and जो Cloudflare जो bot block use कर रहे नहीं कर रहे, तो they can use mine. I have that also. It will come and that bot blocker reads the whole policy, etc. And it gets directed to the platform over there. Now अगर हम जाहिर सी बात है compliant नहीं होते bots, 90% actually 50 बोलते compliant हो, नहीं होते, but eventually every transaction is recorded in the database. उसका record होता है, audit बन जाता है कि you shared the policy, उसके बाद भी you went and took out the data. So that is something that's very different that I have connected it. So Cloudflare, kind of like Cloudflare combined with the dataset platform. So that's the 3 pillars of my solution over here. This is the market size. These are some numbers you can see. Total market size. I'll ask you to look at this. Globally 8 से 12 billion dollars है. इंडिया में भी एक ही नए AI firms आ रहे. And this SOM over here, basically Indian news है, education books. इसकी बहुत वैल्यू है आज. So I have spoken to lot of publishers and all that. बहुत वैल्यू है. Actually 2 साल पहले तो बहुत महंगे बिकते थे educational data set. So educational books and vernacular languages, example Tamil, क्योंकि आजकल क्या होता है ना, आपने सुन सर्वम AI and all these things, हिंदी में AI बन रहे हैं, इंग्लिश तो बन चुके हैं, they are making regional language. So regional languages and this education books, these are a big market right now, and especially licensed news जो especially economic types, example ले रहे हो, research करके वो data डालते हैं, that is a very useful data for these because they need good quality data sets eventually. कुछ भी बकवास नहीं चाहिए. They don't want artificial synthetic data sets, etc. So they need right now AI firms need good quality data sets. So there are some numbers what the market says and all that, and how much we can achieve through the deals. These are some numbers. This is the product. So this is the dashboard I've given. This is the gateway I was talking about, and I'll come to this. So this is the dashboard, and this is the gateway I was talking about. जो हर website के सामने लगेगा. So it's like a paywall for AI firms. Again, some snapshots from my dashboard, where you can make your license, etc. I don't know if you can see, and AI firms can buy it. If you got everything, JSON scheme, everything, they can view and buy it. And absolutely, and this works on manual level and at a bot level. So if an AI firm has a bot, the bot can also read it and pay for it. So basically, it's a prepaid system. वो आएंगे, भरेंगे fund में balance, and they can buy whatever at the bot level also if they choose to be, because बड़े companies prefer to do that. So I've given that option also, not just a manual thing. Now this is something what I have built. This is a flagship tool. This is a deal. This is a tool I have built. So basically क्या होता है ना, अब AI ने डेटा चुरा लिया, ठीक है ना. अब मान लो कोई न्यूज़ वाला है, वो कहता है अच्छा मुझे पता करना है ऐसा चुराया कि नहीं चुराया, ठीक है. बहुत तरीके करने के. अब एक तरीका है whatever comes on a platform I make multiple hashes for that. SHA-256 hash, min hash, all these hashes technical terms है. तो basically बता देता है कि ये आपका है. अब ये सिस्टम में जाओगे, I have automation also, बहुत सिंपल सा टूल है, वीडियो डेमो एक्सेट्रा सब कुछ. I won't go to that. एक टूल है, आप पेस्ट करोगे, आपको लगता है आपका कोई आर्टिकल, कोई न्यूज़ वाला है, उसका आर्टिकल चुरा दिया गया, रिफ्रेश कर दिया AI ने. Someone had posted over there, and this will search our database, verify the hashes जो मैंने कैलकुलेट करा था when they posted our data, that will tell us कि ये with precision कि ये डेटा सेट आपके से लिया है कि नहीं लिया है, तो LM आगे केसेस के लिए, टेक डाउन्स के लिए, नोटिस के लिए. So this is one flagship tool I have built, and this is automated. I can run reports, etc. So this is there. This is my tool over here. This is my revenue model. What I have thought of, one is hosting charges. Platform में आएंगे, host करेंगे, like a marketplace, right? It's a data market. आएंगे, host करेंगे और subscription देंगे. That's one thing. Second is enterprise. So I've been speaking to some, I'm not name it, it's on camera. So association of publishers, etc. We are trying to work out for a white labeling, because क्या है ना, there are lots बड़े publishers like Wiley, वो अपने से individually कर रहे हैं, but there are thousands of publishers. And एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, I am also an author. I've written 3 novels. I am an author myself. I've written 3 fiction novels. So I know 80% किताबें बिकते नहीं हैं. I know that for sure. This gives them, and this gives them a chance to earn money right now for the books that are never going to sell. Reality यही है. Some books just don't sell. So this is my enterprise revenue, and this is the main source of revenue. The commission I'm going to charge on the deals. तो मान लो कोई publisher, whatever, website है NDTV का, they come and deal करते हैं on the data sets. अपने collection होंगे कि ये है lifestyle के collections, etc. अलग collections, different ways. We can do article by article collections, whatever way, data set per GB, subscription, whatever. उसमें you get a 10 to 20% commission on each deal. So that's the revenue model over here.
Just one sec. Why would a fiction publisher? Why would an AI company pay for a fiction published book? Like if it's fiction,
they are already using the data to train the model right now.
No, but fiction is no use to them, isn't it? Like
No, they are trained on fiction data also. They need good quality data sets right now.
Okay.
Yeah, they already have. That's the whole thing. They already have from books 3.
But I'm just saying, like, why would they pay for fiction data? That's my only.
HarperCollins ने deal करी है Wiley publication. उनका fiction data $44 million का deal है. This is for few lakh articles and around 20,000 books. Similarly, HarperCollins का भी I think $30 million का deal है. They paid $10,000 per data per book to HarperCollins. So they buy HarperCollins fiction. You know HarperCollins, right? So they are paying. Payments are happening. So where am I? This is the comparison of the competition. We've got Cloudflare. Basically, Cloudflare, AWS is just. I spoke to some association for news, etc. They said, and this is our platform where we differentiate from them. So I won't go much into this big table and all. But basically, we use blockchain. We engage in licensed data sets. That's the how we differentiate from others. That's basically our main thing. And of course, we have our own firewall and paywall through middleware that connects to the website to our platform. These guys don't have it. So that's how it is.
LiveRamp, Narrative और Databricks ये तीनों भी तो यूज करते हैं ना?
हाँ जी।
मार्केटप्लेस तीनों के पास है, Provenance यूज करते हैं ये तीनों।
कौन सा?
LiveRamp, Databricks और Narrative,
Yes.
all three of them.
Yeah.
They are marketplaces and they use Provenance.
They use.
So how are they different? Why are not they here?
India में they don't have licensed data sets. No license. They don't have license.
Marketplaces. They are marketplaces.
No, they are marketplace. Marketplaces there. They exist, but they are not dealing with licensed content, rights cleared content right now. So basically क्या होता है ना, कोई आता है, कोई पब्लिशर है, they have a data set, आके होस्ट कर देते हैं, data set बेचे, इतने डॉलर एक डील कर दो, and they just host it. For example, AWS है, तो उनके 3 मॉडल है, एक per data डेटा सेट डील हो गया, एक सब्सक्रिप्शन जो ऑनगोइंग चेंजेस होता रहता है, और एक पर जीबी पेमेंट है. सो दे आर मार्केट प्लेस, कॉम्पिटिशन है, बट एज फार एज आई नो नन ऑफ देम राइट नाउ आर गिविंग लाइसेंस डेटा. That's the
My question is why would anybody come to you? Why can't the big guys actually eat you up and start doing it themselves? What you are doing, like basically, you carry हो,
हाँ.
why can't they start doing it as well, license basically?
I mean they already have marketplaces right now.
What's the differentiator then?
So the whole point is use blockchain. That's
Yeah.
number 2. I have a own paywall, so that's why the Cloudflare angle comes over here. So something similar. I have a middleware that runs on the website of the news channel that connects my marketplace to the bot at the bot level. So basically जब वो bot आएगा news channel की website में आएगा, वहीं से connect हो जाएगा मेरे marketplace से, उनको फिर audit logs मिलेंगे etc. On the that's a big differentiator. None of them have. Right.
One more thing, what is stopping them to build something exactly that?
They never thought of it. I don't know.
No, fair. I'm just
I
saying,
really don't know because 2 साल से तो I made the 6 months ago. मेरे बनाते 6 months बनाते after building this last 2-3 months में Cloudflare का ये bot blocker आया. पहले नहीं था. They only started. हाँ, मेरे बनाते आया. तो मैं तो हालत खराब हो गई थी बनाते.
YC का जो स्टार्टअप स्कूल है उसमें एक्चुअली जून 2025 में अभी आंध्र करपाती का टॉक हुआ था. दैट इज व्हाई ही मेंशन दिस कि वहाँ पे बॉट्स को जो है आपको हर एक वेबसाइट को यहाँ पे मेक बॉट फ्रेंडली. अगर वो नहीं करोगे तो चैलेंज आएगा.
Absolutely, हर चीज को. My thing is not to block them. My thing is earn money through what they have because data is gold today, and that's what I want people to utilize. The news channels, everyone.
You are saying that you are going to be a registry.
No, marketplace like Amazon, like for
Correct, but then you are having giving registrations, hashes. You are saying you are going to have plot evaluation,
Yes.
audit.
Yes. Okay.
What authority
Okay.
you have to do all this? Have you registered with NIC right now?
No. Audits. See, that's not a.
Go back to the
Okay. Hanji.
You are saying you register, you detect and monetize and AI use content, blockchain, probes. These are probe activities or you do a registering activity also?
So blockchain है. Blockchain में जाकर when they make an article on a platform में आता है, we calculate the hashes etc. वो hashes को are registered on the blockchain. तो blockchain में चले जाते हैं ना, it becomes like a ठप्पा, like a immutable registry की ये है. Nobody can deny it कि आगे जाकर because the technology is such कि कल कोई डिनाई नहीं कर सकता.
But then you are deriving it.
हाँ, मान लो कोई इमेज आया, मैं प्लेटफॉर्म में पोस्ट करा, उस इमेज का अलग अलग हैशेस हो गए, that hashes I store with me. That is there. Now उसी हैशेस को लेके I have my tool that tool I showed you, right?
Asking you under which authority of law you are holding it.
So it's under the IT Protection Act. There's no specific law regarding this right now. It's just a very plain act right now.
You don't have a right to do that, na?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Right to what?
Blockchain, you are registering, you are holding it on your name and you are holding the hash, right?
Hash. I'm not holding data. There's a difference. So how copyright and all works? So basically, Spotify and all that, they have their own deals with these music companies and all, right? That's an open agreement between me and the publisher. Ki I'm going to use the data for such and such purpose. I'm going to record. That works well.
That person is the original
Owner.
of the copyright.
Yes.
He has assigned to you.
Yes,
That
yes,
makes
yes.
sense. Here, who is assigning to you?
The owner, publisher, news channels, they are going to give me a through contract that I can use the data for this purpose through contract. Agreement is very common over here, these kind of agreements. You don't need actually a governing authority right now. So yes, this is production ready. I've already built it. I have the gateway and everything is there. I have initial publisher outreach. I've done a demo with a news association. I won't name them. Publisher association also. Problem, challenges where I feel this is very new technology. It's very hard to explain to them. That's mainly my challenge right now. I have spoken to a few AI firms also, Indian AI firms right now, जो काम कर रहे हैं and all that. So उनको data जो मांगा है मुझसे and all that. Right now, however, I'm still in a struggling phase where I'm actually able to acquire, convince the sign a deal with a big publisher or group of publishers. What my plan is for their data. So right now I'm on that stage. 4-3 महीने ही हुए. So I इतना कर रखा है
Have you
मैंने.
signed any publisher as of now?
No, that's what I'm saying. No, demos चल रहे हैं, बात चल रही है, discussion चल रहा है,
हाँ.
वो चल रहा है. But क्या है ना, it's a new tech.
हाँ.
India में समझाना it's very difficult right now.
Idea is good, just not.
Yeah. Example, ProData.ai. Right, ProData.ai US की कंपनी है. वो क्या करता है, उन्होंने tied up with News Media Alliance in Global News Media Alliance. उन्होंने 500 मीडिया कंपनीज को अपने साथ जोड़ लिया. बट उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने जोड़ के अपना खुद का चैटबॉट बना gist.ai. I found that rubbish. I found that worthless. तो मैं कौन जाएगा CAPT छोड़ के इनके पास. So that's my thing. So there's just me and all that. Plus, so just 1-2 minutes on this. I started off building something else with a partner who cancer हो गया co-founder को. So he had to drop a very rare form of cancer. I was building a blockchain. I started blockchain. Basically, I was building I've heard of numbers protocol. Anyone? Numbers protocol. Basically, it's a blockchain-based application where people come and register their photos, etc. and authenticates कि ये इसका है and gives them authority. I built that thing, but then I realized कि it's not going to sell. I understood that reality. I stepped out of that. So that's where I got it. Now I've come through a very good model using that, extending that to make a sellable model where people can come just आएंगे, स्कैन करेंगे वीडियो को एंड देन टेल यू कि इसका कहाँ से है, क्या है, इसने फिल्टर रखा है. मान लो कोई सेलिब्रिटी, फीमेल सेलिब्रिटी है, उसका ये वीडियो डाला और सब डांसिंग एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो आएंगे, कोई स्कैन करेगा, नाउ बताएगा इसमें ये फिल्टर डाल रखा है, ये एडिट है, इसका ओरिजिनल ये है, एक्सेट्रा. सो आई वोंट गो टू मच ऑन दिस स्टिल इन डेवलपमेंट. It will take me 1 month, but it's very much 80% built. So but my platform is this. And someone was talking about exit strategy, so this is there. But that's it. So that's it. So any questions?